A House committee is now recommending that Attorney General Eric Holder be cited for contempt of Congress. Now, don't confuse that for what you and I have. What say you, Obama?
Well, first off, as King of America, I have executive privilege to withhold documents about a weapons operation called Fast and Furious.
Oh, John. Did I ever tell you that I plan to undermine the role of an independent press by constantly whining at any report?
I pledge this week if elected president, I will drive down unemployment to 6 or lower before the end of my first term. Well, it's easy enough to do. I hire all those I fired.
Speaking of Mitt Romney, there are reports you may attend the London Olympics to watch wrestling, cause it's the only place where someone changes positions more than he does.
A new poll found that Mitt Romney is actually ahead of President Obama among female voters. That explains Obama's new slogan, "I'm Barack Obama, and I loved 50 Shades of Grey."
Now, to be fair, I will let certain illegal immigrants stay in this country. But there is an age requirement. You have to be old enough to vote by November.
Obama had a big fundraiser for the gay and lesbian elite here in Hollywood. I got laid.
Another Al-Qaeda no. 2 guy was hit by a drone. I'm telling you, these Al-Qaeda leaders, they don't last as long when we hire them.
Well, America, the truth is not one of these clowns are worth a damn cent, as they hate your freedom and liberties. Vote Ron Paul.